you very much. I appreciate your this warm welcome, and I'm so happy that I'm part of this IIT Ilmenai network, and which is expanding. My team always says me that Vinay, IIT is in your bones because they keep hearing those special words which you use in IIT like sutta, MT, funda, CC, and those things are still very common in my lingo whenever I talk to my team. But like that's really interesting. Uh, my especially like if I talk about, I still get nostalgic when I go back to my IIT times. Most of the time I spend either on an airstrip or on my hall. uh, I always say that airstrip, I'm solving some hypothetical problem, I don't know what solution is, and in hall we always try to solve what sabji is there in mess today. So I'm sure everybody has that experiences, and they're going to work on that. But thank you. Like Shalok said me that I'm a serial entrepreneur. There's a third venture going on, and it always excites me. I'm still a startup, and we're still growing. But I was not like that. I was a simple daydreamer, simple guy before I entered into IIT. And my first leadership experience came from IIT, which is a counseling service coordinator, and where I managed volunteers, teams, and complete that joining process, which everybody understands as a counseling service coordinator. And later on, the second defining moment was also in IIT when I got a chance to meet APJ. And those during Aero India 98 as a student delegate, we got almost 45 minutes to meet him. And those discussion, those points, what he discussed with us still gives me a goosebump. First time I, like honestly speaking, if I realized in my life that purpose is not living, purpose is to help millions of people to live. I always recite Rajesh Reddy's share that किस दिन जिंदगानी में कृष्मा क्यों नहीं होता, मैं जाग तो जाता हूँ, जिंदा क्यों नहीं होता. And that is the moments which really inspires me even today. Later on, my mentor Rudy Carson, ex-CEO Connexa, he quantified this dream that okay, when we are on a mission to touch 7 billion souls on this earth, and that's what Archily is. Today we are sponsoring this event not because it is I have to say something here, but it is just because I love IIT, and that is the passion there. And this purpose of touching 7 billion soul is what Archily is on right now. All our product line. Let me explain what exactly we do. Uh, we have an AI plugin for recruiting platform, which is used by almost 1,600 companies across 33 countries. And many enterprises, Fortune companies, enterprises, they all uses us for enhancing the candidate experience, which we do by almost 82%, and recruiter productivity by 62%. In layman, if I say as a technical, since we are all from technology, we identify unsaid words from resume and use our behavioral AI matching. We match against the jobs or any other opportunity within the organization so that candidate get a passion and their career path correctly. So this is something which we are doing it, and that's a mission of 7 billion souls we touch. Being this Esteem network, part of this Esteem network, I'm happy either you or your friend, if any of you are working on any HR tech product, which has a need a processing of resumes or jobs, we are happy to talk to them. We are happy to network with them. Maybe it is a requirement of technology, or maybe it is a something else, network sharing or something we want to do. I'll be happy to work on that. I don't take much time. I know Mr. Vidyarthi is waiting right now. He's an awesome speaker. Go ahead, enjoy. And Shalok and Jitesh, thank you very much. You guys are doing an awesome job. Keep doing good. And they also need a clap for us. Thank you very much.